Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Tinalo ng Blackwater Bossing ang Phoenix Philmasters 100-83. Top performer si Frederick Tongkab matapos humakot ng 19 points, 5 rebounds, 4 assists at 2 steals. Pinataob naman ng Meralco Bolts ang San Miguel Bearmen 95-92. Top performer si Clifford Hodge matapos nagtala ng 20 points, 13 rebounds at 2 blocks. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of May 4, 2024. San Miguel Bearmen 10 wins 1 loss. Barangay Ginebra 7 wins 3 losses. Magnolia Hotshots 6 wins 4 losses. Meralco Bolts 6 wins 5 losses. Rain or Shine Elasto Painters 6 wins 5 losses. Tenti Trupang Giga 5 wins 5 losses. NLEX Road Warriors 5 wins 5 losses. Terra Firma Jeep 5 wins 6 losses. Northport Batang Pier 5 wins 6 losses. Blackwater 4 wins 7 losses. Phoenix Philmasters 3 wins 8 losses. Converse 5 or 6ers 2 wins 9 losses. Heto ang game schedule ngayong May 5, 2024 na gaganapin sa Ninoy Aquino Stadium. Sa first game maglalaban ang Magnolia Hotshots at TNT Trupang Giga alas 3 ng hapon. Sa main game magtutos ang Barangay Ginebra at NLEX Road Warriors alas 6:15 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.